Hello guys and welcome back to Reality Rewind. Please like and subscribe. I absolutely appreciate it. Guys, I just want to say I think Umayeni is proud of Utirelo, or rather is sort of grateful of Utirelo. I think fairly she can only be grateful because ngubani ongamele umpumelelo guys for all those years. Utirelo is one person who's always been esayidini kampumelelo, like through thick and thin. She's always tried, to resonate with Umpumelelo. So they were invited on a show on SABC3 Egamoshendegi, which is called Ready Steady Cook SA. So they were invited to participate there, which is a good thing. I mean, we see them, they're getting the the collaborations and all that. That's a good thing, like they're securing the bag. So I saw that on Facebook. Umpumelelo received too much backlash because of this whole thing, because now people are saying that how, because Uvuyo has moved on with a chef Sabelo, now Umpumelelo usebhizi ngama apron, sekubhizwi ngama apron emzumbe. Oh guys. That's so weird. So I'm asking myself, okay, now that Chef Sabelo, so now does that mean Umpumelelo now has to shy away from collaborations that have something to do with cooking, chef, whatsoever, just because ubaba omncane wengane zakhe la ungu-chef, now he has to shy away from all those things. Come on guys, definitely he will not. But anyways, Umayeni posted a picture of Umpumelelo and Utirelo on her Instagram Instagram, not Instagram post, but Instagram stories, right? Which is like, when I saw that she posted both of them, I was like, oh, I think she ulakho nje kancane nje ukuba proud of them with, oh, my kids. Oh, I'm grateful to Utirelo for standing by my son despite the madness, the craziness, all this, I'm sure Mayeni is grateful for what Utirelo uyambekezelela ngoba I think kwayena Umayeni, I doubt ukuthi bengayibekezeleli indoda njengompumelelo. So I think she is grateful of the presence of Utirelo, because Utirelo has always been here supporting Umpumelelo. Anyways, another thing, guys, Umpumelelo, I'm not sure how far true it is what Umpumelelo has started a restaurant business. He's owning a restaurant, because he was live on one of his live videos, a restaurant, shoot, now he's owning a restaurant, and he was very active there, looking like a hands-on boss and all that, which is not and I feel like it has absolutely nothing to do with Chef Xolani, because Ubaba Msele made his first million from a business, a restaurant. So probably Umpumelelo asazi mhlawumbe inspiration, like a certain percentage of inspiration came from Chef Xolani mhlawumbe, but like his father made his first million restaurant. So I mean, we can't really say 100% of inspiration came from Chef Xolani, Anyways, thank you so much guys for watching. Please do let me know what you think on the comment section. Otherwise, I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.